These used before, what the fuck? R1 concept, man. What's going on, man? These are poo-poo. But drill and slide it, man. Black guys. It's fucked up. These hoes look dust bite. Let me clean these guys up, huh? Alright, what's good, BQ man? We back with another video. Actually, finishing the video from the last post. So y'all didn't get to see the finished product of me painting and glossing my roof. So y'all have to see that. But before we get into that, pulling up to my guy. Gotta get me right. These guys. Damn, sorry. Yes, sir. You live in Katy, Cypress area? Katy, Cypress area, man. You live that? That's the one to go to.
Hey, how much y'all charge for brakes and rotors? Only on the front though. Yeah. I just need y'all to install for me.
Hey, the mechanic is coming today.
He's not here today?
No, I'll bring it tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Need done today. Who else do it?
Skinny one.
Alright, man. Alright. Appreciate it.
Yeah, bring it tomorrow. I can replace it.
Alright, I got you.
Alright.
Well, man, y'all heard the bad news for him, because we going somewhere else to get these hoes put on. Need them done ASAP. We came to my boy Jose shop. Y'all seen my boy with the Q50 last video, you know. But yeah, they gonna get me right. They already got me. I'm just waiting for these guys. They ain't doing me a good price on shit. Can't beat that, man. You sure, man?
That's up to you.
They look new still or what?
No, it's good. You can see it right there.
I mean they still thick, but nah. I'd rather just put the new ones on I bought.
Okay.
I'm gonna just keep those just for like safe. If I need some or something, I don't know. But I'll get the rotors for you. Well, y'all heard that, man. He said the ones I got on there still looking new. But I don't know. I'm pretty sure those are premium ones that I already have on there right now. But I do not remember the last time I changed my brakes. And these are the just premium ones. And I got new rotors, so I'm not trying to take no chances of fucking these hoes up. So yeah. Yeah, bro, I'm just keep those. We can just put these on. That's old. It's about time I changed those. That came with the car. These the old pads. Man, I guess they still good. Besides that shit, yeah. You probably good there. It's the old order. Come with sport packet. Man, look at all this shit. Damn, this whole heavy as fuck. Ooh, hot in a bitch. see the roof yet, but these the voters. And nobody told me that. Look at this, man. These hoes are already silver. Already silver. What the fuck? First gonna get a wash. Yeah. Looking dirty. Oh shit, alright. Rip that bitch. Rip it. Nah. Fin. Look, we locked and loaded. We're ready to go.
Toupee. Dior, Louis V. Where the bad bitches at? Tell them come with me. Yeah. She rockin' Dior, I'm a Louis V. These niggas mad, diamonds shining on me. I just get this cash and then I repeat. I don't never go to sleep, I'm trapping all night. I pop a bean, I'm geek. These niggas hating, they really been sleeping on me, but I'm spinning your bars all week. I ain't even tripping, yeah, these niggas really they birds, they fly and they really go tweet. But don't at me. I'm in the back street. These niggas running like athletes. This ain't no track meet. I ain't even tripping, I get it. I'm stacking. Yeah, you know I'm chilling your back and yeah, I'm relaxing. I'm so high, I go to outer space and then I come back, I'm taxing. This ain't no taxi. She rockin' Dior, but I'm a Louis V. These niggas mad, diamonds shining on me. I just get this cash and then I repeat. I don't never go to sleep, I'm trapping all night. I pop a bean, I'm geek. I get the cash, Louis V. These niggas, yeah, they mad. Now it's just cash on me.
Let my thing cut off, man. Come on, man.
Me, 4 pockets full, life feel like baby. These niggas they mad. Yeah, Dior, Louis V. Yeah. The bad bitches that tryna come with me. Dior, Louis V. Yeah, the bad bitches that tryna come with me. Yeah. Dior, Louis V. I told my girl when I get rich, yeah, baby, you can shop at whatever designer store. Whatever store you want. It don't matter what the price tag is, yeah, shawty, if you want it, then it's yours. Yeah. Always knew I would be famous, I had doubts, but now I'm sure. Yeah. That money never changed me, I've been having bands, it's just like getting more. Don't sleep on that song I made, that's that Louis and Dior's. Yeah, I'm so damn high right now. Red Bull, I got wings, watch me soar. And I had something to prove, and you had something to lose. Don't even know what we do. I got her rockin' Louis and Dior. She said, give me more. I asked, are you sure? Pussy so wet from the shore. Rough sex like it's war. Love strong at the core. She come through the door, she gon' eat me up. She a little yeah freak, let me beat it up, Hop in the stool and I heat it up, You on my mind, got me thinking, yeah, Can't waste no time, so I speed it up, Fuck all these hoes, I ain't keeping them, You and me, yeah, we ball of butter in, Yeah, we so different, we not like them, Money so tall, yeah, we cannot see him. Smoking gas from the AM to the PM. Shawty bad, yeah, she might be my BM. When I'm up, don't slide in my DM, yeah, And that's right, tryna get rich and live fast life. Yeah, this cash I told my girl when I get rich, yeah, baby, you can shop at whatever designer store. It don't matter what the price tag is. Yeah, shawty, if you want it, then it's yours. Yeah. Always knew I would be famous. I had doubts, but now I'm sure. Yeah.
Get in there. Wipe the roof down. Come on, we ain't trying to get you to look sexy. You know you sexy as hell. Circular motion. There you go. I'll get the middle if you can't get it though. It's cool.
Short game.
Huh?
I said short game.
Short game. Shout out to my boy Trap Golf, man, for doing my roof. Y'all see him in the last video. Put his Instagram name in there too, so y'all go follow him. Yeah, but she looking nice. Mighty nice. Private. Shout out them too. Nah, just the roof, just the roof. I'm gonna use cleaning stuff to get the windows when I get home.
I can't go.
Yeah, just come over here. What's up? Looking at you? Cause you fine as hell, girl. Back there whipping it up. Can't get that spot.
Famous, I had doubts, but now I'm sure. Yeah. That money never changed me. I've been having bands. It's just like getting more. Yeah. Don't sleep on that song I made. That's that Louis and Dior's. Yeah, I'm so damn high right now. Red Bull, I got wings, watch me soar.
Alright, man, we're gonna end this video here, man. Hope y'all like, subscribe.
Dexter.
Toupee. Pedro. Hop in the coupe and I drive it like NASCAR. Yeah, she tryna fuck, I don't even gotta ask her. Smoking on gas while I'm counting these racks up. Cause back then I ain't really even had none. Hop in the coupe and I drive it like NASCAR. She tryna fuck, I don't even gotta ask her. Smoking on gas while I'm counting these racks up. Cause back then I ain't really even had none. But I knew who I wanted to be. This rap shit ain't nothing to me. I can do this in my sleep, tryna get rich and break the money machine. But I'ma still be the same. Get my mama house and I'ma put it on the game. Can't wait till it come, that shit got me feeling strange. Hard times when I was